Hi guys, today I'm coming back to you with another Boxycharm unboxing. Today I have my Boxycharm base box for the month of October and I'm super excited. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with it. Okay, so I have my base box here. Here it is, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek. I'm super excited because I just got it earlier in the day. And there she is. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the card, and this month for October is Candy Shop, and it's super cute. And it says the date for pop-up is November 10th. So yeah, and I got variation number 28. So I'm super excited. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And the first thing that I see looks like this. The brush set by Luxy, so I'm super excited because I love Luxy brushes and it's super cute. It has like this little rose gold pull tab, and it's like a little case. And I won't use the case. Excuse me, my eye is watering. I won't use. Smells like chemicals, but I won't use this case for my brushes. But I will use it. I will give it to my daughter for her pencils. So, yeah. And here's the brushes. Some nice brushes. Hold on, let me take the plastic off. Okay, so the brushes look really nice. They're kind of flat from packaging, but that's okay. They'll spread out. So it looks like we got a blending brush. And it's nice and soft and fluffy, and I love Luxy brand. They're super cute. I like the blue, and I like the little rose gold. Then we have like a shader blending, like for the corners. And that's really good. Then a smaller blending brush. It's like a small fluffy brush. It's kind of pressed out, but that's from packaging, so that's fine. It looks like this is for packing on color. That's what I usually use this kind of brush for. Oh, it shows on here, large shader, 209. Here's a brow and lash. I'll just use this spoolie for my brows, though. I don't know if you can see it. Just a normal spoolie. And then this one is tapered blending. Just a regular blending. And it's funny because in the last video I made, I think it was the last one, medium angled shader, I was kind of complaining about the brush quality of the last brushes we got, the brush set, because they were so small and like the travel. Oh, here it is. It was these brushes I was complaining about because they're just like so small, and I don't know, they weren't the best quality. They're like kind of stiff. But these ones are much better quality, and I like them, and I'm super happy to get them. And these are $40. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Dose of Colors concealer in the color Medium Tan 19. And I'm kind of nervous because I've seen people say that it looks like my color. But let's see. I'm going to put a decent size swatch. There it is right now. But a lot of people are saying that it like oxidizes. So we'll see. We'll see. But right now it looks decently light. So, and it did cover, let me see if I can get it to cover up I have veins in my hand, so it does cover the veins in my hand. I'm hoping that it'll work for my under eye circles. Right now you can't, I almost knocked my tripod over. Okay, sorry about that. I am trying to cover up my under eye creases. You can't quite see them right now because you can see it on this side because this eye's kind of watery today, but it's like my allergy eye. It's always watering, doesn't matter what. But like I have super dark under eye circles, and I would really like it's starting to oxidize already. I would really like something to cover my under eye circles. But that Dose of Colors is worth $24. It says it conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. So we'll see. I'm just afraid that it might just be too dark. The next thing I have is this Symbiosis London Hyaluronic Acid and Poulion Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. And there she is. And that is $93. And it says it's a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, Poulion, as well as shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. So yeah, we'll try this out, and that's $93. The next thing I have is this Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner Duo, and this is valued at $16, and it's supposed to have 2 colors. Yeah, it's definitely, that concealer is definitely oxidizing, and it's not even dry yet. Okay, so these are the shades. They're super pretty. I love this tan. I'll go ahead and swatch them. Ooh, and it's so soft. Ooh, I like that. Here's the brown and then the red. It was 2 colors. And they're super pretty, and I think, yes, they have a built-in pencil sharpener for when they get dull. So I'm super excited for that. And the last thing in this box I have is the Breakfast in Bed Beauty. I said that wrong. Breakfast in Bed by Beauty Bakery, and it's a pretty palette. I'm super excited for this because I've never had anything from Beauty Bakery. It doesn't have a mirror, which, I mean, it has this plastic thing, which I'm going to just take off and throw away. But it doesn't have a mirror, which is kind of surprising because this palette, like, it's large enough to have a mirror. It's cute, but I would have liked a mirror. And some super cute shades. They look kind of cool toned. But they look really pretty, and I'll definitely get some use out of it. And it's super cute. But I've never tried their products, and I've been always eager to try them. So yeah, and this is $38, and I'm super excited to try it. So the value of my box for this month in October is $211. So yeah, I feel like for, how much did I spend? 20 bucks for the base box? That's a steal for products that I would have not normally bought. Like I probably would have never spent, how much was this? $38? No, I wouldn't have paid $38 for this. But it's really nice because I get to try it out, and I've never tried any of their products, so I'm super excited for that, and it's super cute. And like the liners, I really like these. Let's see if I can get one on. Go ahead and wipe some of the stuff off. I'm gonna go ahead and put the brown on. I got to swatch this. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. I do like it. It was super soft to put on my lips. That'd be a great base. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch French Doors, which is this pretty purple shade. Messy Hair, which is right here. Oh, it's kind of swatching kind of crazy. It's like not swatching very well. Let's see. Cuddle Cakes. It's like, it's super soft though in the pan, but there's the swatches that I did of a couple of the colors. I'm gonna try to do a couple more because I'm kind of like curious what is going on with this. Okay. I'm pretty sure I swatched all the colors. So there they all go. They're really pretty, but they're not swatching nicely. Like the Forehead Kisses, this pink isn't swatching very nicely, but we'll see. It might look better in person. And Messy Hair came out kind of patchy too. But it might just be, you know, swatches are different than like actually using a brush. And this is drying down quite dark, that concealer. I mean, it looks like it's my skin tone almost. I haven't put it on my face yet, but we'll see later, some other time. But thank you so much for watching my video. I'm so happy you stuck around. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below and tell me what you thought the best product was that I got this month.